Magandang araw. Para sa video na to, magtuturo lang ako ng ilang calculator tricks and techniques to solve some common problems sa math for the sake of efficiency and accuracy kapag nagtitake tayo ng exam. Sana may matutunan kayo. Magko-cover lang ako ng 5 to 6 questions. Bago tayo mag-start, i-set muna natin yung calculator natin sa default mode. Shift Setup 1.1 Mode 1 Computation. Okay? Para sa first problem natin, what is the least common multiple of 18 and 23? Madali lang kunin yung LCM nito. Kailangan na natin i-add yung reciprocal ng dalawang given number. For that, 1 over 18, reciprocal ng 18, plus, ulitin na natin, 1 over 18 plus 1 over 23. And yung sagot nito, yung denominator ng sagot nito, yun yung LCM ng dalawang given, which is 414. Or pwede naman natin i-type ng ganito, 18 raised to negative 1 plus 23 raised to negative 1, which yields to the same answer. Para ma-verify yan kung tama yung method na ginagamit natin, try natin mag-open ng website and check natin kung tama yung LCM na binigay. Calculating 414. And try natin mag-set ng arbitrary number or any random number. Let's say 71 and 93. Kunin natin LCM niyan. 6603. So, try natin i-type sa calculator using the same method. 93, 6603. Another one, last na lang. Let's say 15 and 17. 255 daw. So, type natin 15 raised to negative 1 plus 17 raised to negative 1. 255. So, basically, tama yung method na ginagamit natin. Okay? So, next problem. Find the remainder when x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 8 is divided by x minus 5. Para masagot natin itong problem na to, balikan lang natin yung remainder theorem. Kung given daw tayo ng function of x at required tayong i-divide by x minus a, para makuha yung remainder nun, kailangan lang natin i-substitute yung a doon sa function of x natin. Okay, balikan natin yung tanong. Meron tayong given na expression or function of x. Ito yung i-divide na x minus 5, wherein yung a natin is equal to 5. So, okay, kailangan lang natin evaluate yung equation, yung function na binigay sa atin. Type natin x squared minus 3x plus 8. Click natin yung calculate. 5 to 18 yung remainder niya. Next problem. The answer is letter C. Okay, for this problem, find the value of x in the given system of equations. So, given tayo ng two systems of linear equations. Para dito sa problem na to, kunin lang natin yung value ng x and y. Two unknowns to equations. So, click mode. Click natin yung number 5. Pwede naman natin i-utilize yung matrix. Pero, gamitin na lang muna natin yung 5. So, piliin natin yung 1 since two unknowns. Okay, type lang natin yung coefficients ng given. First one, 1, 1, 5. For the second one, second system natin, 3, 5, 1. Value ng x natin is 12. Value ng y is negative 7. Okay? For the next problem, paano naman pag binigyan tayo ng tatlong unknowns and tatlong equations? So, same mode pa rin. Equation 5. Pero pipiliin natin yung 2 since 3 unknowns tayo. Okay, type lang ulit natin yung equations. Yung una muna, 2, 4, 8, 5. Yung pangalawa, 7, 5, 3, 1. Yung third, 2, 4, 4, 3. Enter or equal sign. Ito yung x natin. Y. Ito yung z. Next problem. For k, or find k so that 2x minus 3 is a factor of 3x squared plus kx plus 2. Para sa problem na to, kailangan na nating i-substitute yung value ng x dito. And after natin i-substitute yung x, kailangan na natin hanapin yung value ng k from the given options na magpapasiro doon sa equation or doon sa expression na given. So, for that, click mode. Punta tayo sa computation. So, type lang natin to, yung given 3x squared plus yung k, palitan na natin ng variable y, x plus 2. So, to evaluate that, kailangan natin evaluate kung ano yung value ng a mula dun sa remainder theorem kanina. So, solving for that, equate lang natin sa 0 to, transposing 3, 3 over 2, yung value ng x natin. So, 3 over 2. Okay. And for y natin, so try natin gamitin tong a, 29 over 8. And let's see kung magiging 0 yung sagot. Kapag hindi nag-0, definitely hindi yun yung answer. Next, try natin yung b. Click ulit natin yung calculate. Yung x as is, constant siya, hindi siya magbabago. Yung y ang babagoy natin. Try natin negative 29 over 8. Hindi 0 yung sagot. Then try ulit natin. As is yung 1.5 or 3 over 2. Yung y, try natin yung letter c. Negative 35 over 6. 0. And definitely, C yung sagot. I hope may natutunan kayo sa episode natin ngayon. Huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe na rin sa channel natin. And let's tune in for more. Thank you so much.